Tired of digging through endless Dropbox folders just to find one document? I get it, that wasted time really adds up. But what if I told you there is a simple search trick that finds any file in seconds, no matter how buried it is? That is exactly what I am going to show you today. Here is the plan. I am going to walk you through the whole process, step by step, from signing in to typing a quick search and opening the result. By the time we are done, you will never have to scroll through folders again. So the very first thing you need to do is head over to Dropbox.com. Go ahead and sign in with your email and password. This is your home base for everything, so make sure you are logged into the right account before we move forward. Alright, now that you are in, look at the very top of the page. You will see a search bar. It usually says something like "Search your files" inside of it. Click on that bar. This is where the magic starts. Instead of clicking through folders one by one, you are going to let Dropbox do the heavy lifting for you. And here is the really important part. Once that search bar is active, type in what you are looking for. You can use the file name, of course, but you can also type a keyword that might be inside the document, or even just the file type like PDF or JPEG. For example, if you need that quarterly report, just type quarterly. If you want every photo you have, type JPEG or image. This is the step where a lot of people overthink it, but you really do not have to be specific at all. Dropbox is pretty smart about matching things up. Now go ahead and press enter on your keyboard. This might take a second or two to process depending on how many files you have in your account, but just give it a moment and the results will start popping up. So now, take a look at what comes back. The search results will show you a list of files and folders that match what you typed. You will see the name, the folder it is stored in, and maybe even a preview if it is a document. Scan through that list. If you did not find exactly what you wanted, try a slightly different keyword. Maybe try the client name instead of the project name, or use a different file extension. It takes a little practice to figure out what Dropbox likes, but once you get it, it is incredibly fast. When you spot the file or folder you need, just click on it. That is it. Dropbox will open it right there in your browser, or it might download it depending on your settings. Either way, you are looking at your document without ever having to dig through a single folder. And that is really all there is to it. You went from wasting minutes hunting through folders to instantly locating any file with a quick search. Now every time you need a document, you can find it in seconds instead of scrolling endlessly. Give this a try the next time you are looking for something in Dropbox, and you will wonder why you ever did it the hard way.